ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin. We're going to play with the new toy one more time. The Cecarol Tabletop Pellet Grill. And tonight I'm going to show you that you can fit 9 hamburger patties on here. I still have some of these Angus beef patties with hatch green chili in them. So I'm going to throw 8 of them on there. Why 8 and not 9? You got that right, because there's only 8 buns in a pack. So I'll throw the 8 on there. You'll see that 9 can fit. Right now I vacuumed out the ashes and it is heating up. I got some smoke coming out. As soon as it's lit, I'm going to turn it up to 250. We're going to put these on and let them smoke. They may take, I don't know, 45 minutes, maybe an hour from frozen. I don't know. We'll find out. We're using the Bear Mountain Bourbon Barbecue pellets. I love those pellets, hard to find. So anyway, that's what we're doing tonight on this Cecarol Tabletop Pellet Grill. I'll be right back as soon as that's heated up when we put these on. Okay, I'm just about ready to get these on. And another reason why I want to do these frozen burgers is because if you're going out camping, there's a good chance you're going to take these with you if you don't want to make your own patties and everything. So frozen patties it is. Let's get these on. It's all warmed up and ready to go. Get these patties out of the box. Okay, there's 1, 2, and as you can see, these easily fit 3 across. Okay, and we can also fit 3 this way. Okay, so there you go. You can get 9 burger patties on there, and of course if you put this shelf on there, you might be able to get, I don't know, 4 or 5 hot dogs, 4 hot dogs. Not doing that today. All right, there you go. Once again, 8 patties because there's 8 buns in a pack. Okay. And actually about 25 minutes. I just want to check these. Okay, looks like they're getting thawed. I see a little brown edge over here. So let's see, what do we got? Yeah, just a little bit on the edge. So let's move these around. We're gonna let them go probably another 20 to 25 minutes and we'll check them. 250, remember, minutes in, 250, 256, we're good. All right, what I'm gonna do now is check them and probably flip them. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Nice and juicy. Look at that. Okay. It's good. Oh yeah. 145. What about this one? Okay, we're right in the 145, 146 range. So that's really good. I'm going to close this up and all right, we're going to give it probably 10 more minutes. It's been on 45, so 55 minutes. We'll be back in 50 minutes at temp. 58, 56. So these white spots, that's cotija cheese that's also in the hamburger with the green chili. I love Swiss cheese. So I'm gonna throw some more Swiss cheese on mine. No one else wants any, so they ain't getting any. All right, I'm gonna let it go for like 2 or 3 minutes. Just let the cheese melt. We'll be back, take them off, give them a taste test. Oh, look at that ooey gooey Swiss cheese. All right, I'm gonna get these off here and do a build, give them a taste. Oh! All right, we'll get our brioche bun. I am gonna put some lettuce on the bottom. I like putting lettuce on the bottom. It kind of helps protect the bun from the juices. Okay, gotta have that green chili, right? Green chili. Let's put some onion on here. And a little piece of tomato. And then I'm going to drizzle this hamburger sauce that we always whip up. It's just mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and sweet dill relish. or sweet pickle relish, sorry. All right, there you go. Look at that. Put the cap on. Boom. Oh yeah, look at that. This is gonna be good. Okay, there you go. I've got lettuce, onion. I've got extra Swiss cheese on mine. I got my hamburger sauce. This is gonna be messy, but I'm gonna take a taste test. This is off of the Tabletop Cecarol pellet grill, and it just performs like a champ. Let me see if I can get this up and get a bite without making a huge mess. This is gonna be messy. Check that out. All right. Let's set that plate down because I might have to do that hunch that Guy Fieri does. Ready? Man, that is one good, juicy green chili. Messy. All right, there you go. Smoked green chili Angus burger. Thanks for watching. That thing worked great. Again. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to come back.